Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely croaker fish, well dried, and also the way I prepared this catfish here. The same sauce for both. Yes, I used the same sauce for both, but the difference is the croaker is dry. This one has a lot of sauce to enjoy it with. So first wash your fish the way you want. I've already washed it, but I need to massage it with this lemon here. So if you won't have lemon, use salt and do exactly the way I'm doing right away. And that is it. You have to dry out your fish the way. If you have paper towel, please, if you're buying, go for the thick ones here. It's more preferable to me. This is my best though. It's nice. So just try and drain out the water the way you can. And that's it. For the pepper sauce, you only need shombo, ginger, garlic, onions, and fresh pepper. Yes, just 2 fresh pepper, because sometimes fresh pepper they are much hot. So depending on how your own is, if your own is very hot, please use one. So if you don't have shombo, please go for bell pepper. So just 2 fresh pepper I'm using. I'm going to be blending it with my processor because I want it in that kind of chopped or chunky texture. I'm okay. So take your time to blend, and that's it for me. So after blending, you can see well smooth. I love it just this way. I'm okay. You can see that. So put a pot or a frying pan on your heat, put a little oil, and you add your well cut onions and you stir fry. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. I do a lot. My lifestyle in the UK, things happening around me in the UK, and also cooking videos, things that you will love. So pour the pepper mix for me, and you continue frying till it's looking a bit dry. Yes, the next thing you'll be adding after frying the pepper mix very well is just your Maggi, that's your seasoning cube, and salt and lemon juice. To me, I use just 1 Maggi, yeah, 1 star cube. That is all I used for this pepper mist. That is all, and salt, and added lastly my orange juice, lemon juice. I just added the star cube. The next will be the salt. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make your barbecue fish in your air fryer. If you're following this channel, you will learn a lot, because I'm gonna be exploiting my air fryer for a lot. I'm gonna be using it to make meat pie soon. I'm gonna be using it to bring out so many things to your table. So don't miss out any of our videos. Always stay tuned by subscribing, liking our videos. Make sure you open up the notification bell. That's my lemon juice. I'm going to be adding the juice. I just removed the seed that entered. I will add a bit of it. The taste is amazing. Just try it. I know you will come back thanking me. That's it. The sauce is ready. Right now I've off the heat, and I begin to cut into my fish, just to make sure this lovely pepper mix enters every part of this fish. Yes, it's very, very important to me. Every part gets this pepper mix. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and open up your notification bell so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. So I'll take my time to do this particular sauce is the same sauce I used for the catfish. Yes, I'll still be showing you at the end of the video, but I'm not going to repeat this sauce again. I'm not here to lie to you. I'm telling you everything. I'm the one making it, and I know what I used. So it's exactly no different. I didn't remove, I didn't add, just the same thing. The difference is just that the catfish was covered so that it will not dry out, while the croaker fish was open, exposed, and it dried out. Right now, sprinkle your Ghana pepper if you have. If you don't have, please don't bother. I love that taste of Ghana pepper. I don't know why. So sprinkle it generously. If you can get it, it's a pretty good deal for this particular barbecue. So, and salt. This is salt and Ghana pepper. That is what I'm massaging first, trying to make sure it enters every part of this fish. Salt and Ghana pepper, don't forget. So the next I'll start adding the sauce. Yeah, using the sauce to rub the body of the fish very, very well. Take your time and massage this well inside. Open the opening size, and make sure everywhere has absorbed this beautiful sauce. Just take your time. The funniest thing, I just noticed that air fryer gives me the fastest barbecue ever. I've been using oven. Oven takes ages, but if you have air fryer, my dear, please explore. Enjoy, because a lot of things are going to be coming out from this my air fryer. Since I discovered this air fryer thing, a lot of things has changed in my kitchen, I must confess. See, I'm serious about this. So after massaging it very well, I'm going to be placing it on my air fryer oven tray. This is the opened oven tray, so that any excess oil coming out from the fish, anything water, anything draining out from the fish will go down to the other tray down in the air fryer. So this is just the difference between the catfish and the croaker. This croaker was exposed to dry out, while the catfish was covered. So we'll head to the air fryer. My air fryer and your own might not be the same, but just make sure you cut your own fish according to the size of your air fryer. So if your own is a smaller one, just reduce the fish. Maybe not like reduce, just cut it into two, depending on the size of your air fryer. So right now we'll start. I'm gonna start with 200 degrees, 14 minutes. So that is it. So after the first 14 minutes, I'll check. If I'm not okay, I will still just turn it around, turn the fish around, and do another 14 minutes. My own is I'm just conscious about fish not ready, so I'm just taking my time to make sure this fish is better. It dries out very well than it's not ready, and I'm trying to eat fish that is not ready, so it's better everything dries out very well, like fried fish. So I took my time to be checking and shaking and turning and turning. You can see how it's draining out oil and water everywhere. You can see that down there. Look at how the fish is looking right now. It's looking ready to me. So some people, but to me, I needed it so dry. So I continued again just to make sure I keep turning to make sure the ones down are also ready at the same time. If you are new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, I'm just adding more extra pepper. This is all about choice. I'm just adding, making sure everywhere is looking nice and yummy when I start eating. Very important, so that the taste of the pepper will enter everywhere. So if you're new to my channel, please join this lovely channel by only subscribing to this channel. Just subscribe, like this video, share to your friends and family who have air fryer, and tell them air fryer is the game changer now in our kitchen. So if you have it, you're just using it for drying out meats, is not enough. There are things you can explore, there are things you can use it. Maybe if your husband loves fish barbecue, use your air fryer. Like I said, this is the easiest, quickest way, smartest way to make barbecue. I'm telling you, the time wasn't much spent and I enjoyed it more than using my oven, I must confess. So I have a lot of dishes I'm gonna be trying in this air fryer, and trust me, I'm gonna be sharing everything right here. Look at this fish, everything looks so ready right now. See the outcome. I thought I will be drying everything out. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god, I ate one, my husband enjoyed the rest. Would doubt with this fish, trust my husband. My husband loves fish and I also love fish, so we dealt with the fish very very well, and we enjoyed ourselves with a cold drink. So this is the difference between the croaker fish and the catfish. I've done exactly the same thing I did to the catfish. The catfish is longer, so I reduced it into two, and I'm using my toothpick to hold my paper. This baking paper I'm using. You can use foil, though my husband was telling me foil baking paper is more healthier than the foil. I don't know. Health people analyze it and let me know. So he prefers the baking paper than the foil. So I use the foil and I use the baking paper, and this is it. And I have to bring it a bit down, the hotness, so that it will not burn the baking paper. So look at how it's looking. I keep trying. You can see it's looking juicy in the eyes because it was covered. Yes, different from the one I did the first time, different from the croaker fish. So I enjoyed this barbecue. This thing, what do you call it? The catfish also. I keep trying for different minutes. I keep trying doing it for the same 200 degrees to 14 minutes. After the first 14 minutes, I will do it again, turn the back, turn the fish again, go again and again and again and again till I'm satisfied. At this point, the fish was ready, but I wanted more. So I added extra sauce to it. These extra sauce to the I made this another sauce altogether, not the same sauce I used. This another sauce with with onions sprinkled on top. That is it. Look at it, lovely. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.